99.6 Whangarei, the rhythm of the Rohe. Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma, iwa iro ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tuatu I Hikurangi Morena. E te iwi! Here we are.
Hey, morning, Tiwi. You are listening to the crew. Well, 2/3 of the crew. Here from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Welcome to the good life.
That's right, welcome everybody. I'm Luke Bird.
I'm Marcia Hooper.
And where are you, Phoenix? Where are you?
Hey. You are oringa ki te rangi. No matter my.
Welcome everybody.
Yes, Phoenix is off doing, he's got another portai of mahi.
That's right.
Doing something
That is
somewhere.
correct. Somewhere.
With someone. Shout out to myself and Tamaki Makoma. I love this. We're getting shout outs online.
That's right.
Shout out to myself and Tamaki Makoto. Let's go. Kia ora, my cousin.
Kia ora. Yes, everybody out there listening today, welcome to the show. It's another day of E Ara E Mara. As Marcia said, it's 2/3 of the crew. That's right. Oh, morning, Stefano, Jamaz. Welcome back to the show, buddy.
Yeah, welcome back.
It's been a while. We haven't heard from you. What's going on?
Since 2021. What's going on?
Yes.
Morning. It's already Thursday.
It's already Thursday, Marcia. You know what? Next week's the end of the month.
Holy heck it all.
Already.
And then it's like we'll be doing another 12 days of Christmas.
It will be actually coming up to that soon. Let's be real.
So fast.
I know.
Anyway, you know what goes down on the show today? Obviously, daily dose of reverting radio.
That's right.
As well as your wahanga mako, pera ki te e meana koe, e te tukupu, e ara e mara, wahanga katoa.
That's right. The whole lot, the whole buffet line is ready to go. And what I love about a good buffet is that you just keep going up and you help yourself to little bits. Well, that's what our show's about today.
They need a good buffet in Whangarei.
They do. Where do
we
you go?
have it?
I don't know. Where do you go for a buffet?
Yes, they have that. Nah, but they need a good buffet.
They need a good one like all you can eat for $12.95.
$12.95. Free refills.
Oh,
now I'm going back to Pizza Hut. Okay, my Pizza Hut. Wasn't that the greatest?
It was in a little dessert buffet.
I feel sorry for you kids because you think Genghis is on.
Yeah. People don't even remember
Hut.
what Pizza Hut buffet was like. I'm like, how deep.
What was your go-to?
I would always go for the chips with that salt on it, and then I put the cheese sauce all over it, and then I'd have there's a chicken supreme pizza. Oh, chicken and the full cheesy one, the full cheese one.
Yes.
Oh, oh my gosh, I'm getting a flashback. I can just see it now and smell it as you're going up.
Yeah, hard out.
Oh, you got
I love that cheese sauce with the pasta.
Yes.
The pasta and the cheese sauce, a little bit of chips, and one pizza. Bro.
Oh,
that was the combo every time.
Wasn't it you or was it with me and Alternate we went and we had to eat?
Me, you and Alternate and Frana.
Yes, that's right.
Where we had all you can eat Pizza Hut, of course. That was our go-to, going out to town, going there.
Go to lunch.
And then when Eaton's till we were full.
We couldn't, we were like,
And then gave ourselves a little challenge like, okay, the last one to eat this next pizza has to eat another pizza. Kia ora, Fran.
Oh, that was a vibe. That was only like not even that long ago when you look at it.
I know.
We were like, what, 21? 22?
And then all you needed was $12.
I know. Even that was like, $12.
I know. Have you got $2?
Now look at us.
We're pushing it.
We are.
And then a daily like tour of window shopping.
Oh, yes.
Blue Revolution.
Blue Rev. That's right.
Rebel Surf. I
never bought anything from there.
No,
I always went to have a look.
No, I went to the back surf shop.
Oh, yeah, the outlet one.
Yes. That was good. I bought
that.
beanies from there because they were in the sale basket.
Oh, I love that. See, the memories, everybody. None of this book buying online. No.
Anyways, it's Iwi. You are listening to ERA Mara online at our frequencies, 99.6 here in Whangarei, 99.1 north of Hikurangi. Also online.
Correct.
That was on there. Online from our Facebook pages. And today it's going to look and sound a little bit different. A little bit, like only a little bit. So when we introduce the songs, Kia Mohio Mai Koto online, it'll just cut to us in the studio, okay? So you won't hear the songs.
But you'll hear our deep and darker secrets.
And that way we won't have any sort of tukitanga ki te Facebook rules and all of that, and music copyright.
That's right.
We've been trying to get away with it. Naughty.
Marcia's been great. She'll try every which way possible to make it work, but they keep following up on it.
Yes.
But
I
if you
know,
are
they've been consistent.
I know.
Someone's doing their job.
And if you are listening on the radio today, you'll be fine. It's all going to be there, the music, everything. But if you're online again, as Marcia said, you'll be hearing our little kōrero in between the songs.
Which is how all the other radio stations in Aotearoa do it. So.
Yeah, which is kind of cool, which means, hello, they don't pay their copyright either.
And they're just not for Facebook. Facebook is very strict on that. So, kia au tonu mai. I know I will try put up a little banner online just to give you another warning because I know we're going to get it. And
Where are you?
Yeah. I can't hear you.
I can't hear the music. Where's the music at?
Heoi anō e te iwi, kia ngā whakamua tō tātou tisiro, a ngā whakarunga actually, Mr. Weatherman.
Yes, ko tātou matapai huarere. Where is it? I always get it ready and I don't get it ready. Alrighty. Right now, yesterday you would have noticed, Isiwi, that it was hot. Tino weather. It was 29 degrees, which felt like 35, and it was moist. Well, guess what? Today is going to be just like the other. It is currently 18.2 degrees, and it's 7:15 in the morning. It's a high of 28 degrees, which means it's around about, it's going to get hot. Humidity currently is at 88%, but it says it's going to be getting up to about 94% today of humidity, which guess what? Going to mean it's going to be sweaty tanga and moist. That's right.
Yeah, so that's the weather where?
That's right here in Te Whangaore Pai Kohi Ngā Kutai. And also in Tamaki Makovid, it's around the same sort of temperature. However, it's partly cloudy. Afternoon of evening showers, light winds, then southwesterlies towards the evening.
Kia ora. And now, ki ngā tai o whangarei. Actually, I'm a bit like, I got it ready, but I'm not ready. No, I'm ready. Last tide was low tide at 4 a.m. this morning.
Wow.
The next tide will be high tide, of course, at 20 to 11 later on this morning.
Oh,
so
that's nice.
it's your high tide. It'll probably be a nice time to go for a dip
Yeah.
too, because it's going to be hot.
It's going to be peaking.
Last night was ridiculously hot.
I had fans. We just have the fans on all the time.
Had the doors open? Like, no air.
Oh, none.
Nah.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Moist tanga.
Aye. Anyway, Mr. Maramataka is not here, but I'm going to give it my best go.
Yeah, and I'll get Hina ready. Here we go.
Okay.
Marcia, cue your sexy voice.
Hey, Luke. This is stupid.
Marcia,
Oh my
I said,
gosh.
cue your sexy voice.
You should do it.
No,
You'll
it'll
be
fine.
better. I don't want to die.
You can do it. Ready? Hey, Marcia, cue your sexy voice tanga.
Well, hey there. Okay, just a disclaimer.
That's great.
Maramataka cycles can differ from like one to the other. Actually, yesterday was Rako Nui, eh?
Wasn't it the day before? Or was it yesterday?
That's what I mean. Oh, Rako Matohi was yesterday.
Yeah, there we go.
Or for Phoenix, but for others it was Rako Nui.
Oh, we'll just,
So I'm gonna move on
which
and say,
one's which there? Which one is it?
well, it's whatever. It's like around about the same. It's not one thing. It's not like this is it.
Got you.
It's not Monday.
So what are you choosing for today?
Okay, I am choosing this one. Hey. Wow, kia ora, everybody. Welcome on down to the Maramataka Lounge for your sexy Maramataka. Today's Maramataka is Takido. Turning off Tamanui Tera Raumati song. That's the longest day. Te Maruroa o Hinere Mate. Is that even right? I don't even know if this is right. But it's Takido, everybody. Takido. Not Takimano. Not Takitani. But Takido. To Maramataka Mutira. So sorry for this voice. The ending was good.
Yeah,
Let's
it
say
was
that.
really good.
Yeah, the middle a bit.
What was it again?
Takido.
Takido.
Takido. So, but to some it's Rako Matohi.
Right.
And then to some it's Rake Nui. It's here's
Yes,
one.
I like
Maramataka
that.
is dependent on your location.
I love that.
Kia ora.
Can it also be dependent on
Morena.
your whakaaro?
I think
Or is it just like, no, I have to
it's
go
more
off?
so. Well, yeah, it would be dependent on your whakaaro and what you're seeing in the taiao.
Yes, right.
Yes.
Got you. I
Kia ora.
love it.
So
Well,
if you're like, it's, the first day of spring, well, actually, the taiao tells me it's not even close.
Right.
It's how you feel the
How you
wārua
feel the
of
wide.
Papa and the taiao around us.
Kia ora.
And everybody should go and buy some
Oh, do you like it?
Birkenstock.
Do you-
Birkenstock shoes and put some socks and
Oh.
sandals on.
I remember when Birkenstocks came out and people here thought they were, only a couple of people had them, like the tourists. And
Yeah.
people were like, oh my God, those are weird. Now everyone's got
Now
them.
everyone's got. I remember when they were like the thing when we went to Europe back in 2002.
Oh, yes. That's what I mean. Like way back.
Yeah.
Now they're like huge. And, I'm like,
And I
never been
remember
around those.
Mokotini actually owning some, and I was like, those are cool.
Yeah.
But no one has it.
I actually want some, but I just don't like my feet. I don't like my
No, you suit them, and
No,
plus
but-
you can wear with socks.
Yes. It's
And
right.
like you say, it was socks and scuffs and your glasses.
And it's a
You're an entrepreneur.
It's not-
Without the glasses, you're a whore. You can do it.
That's so true, though.
Yeah.
People do that all the time. They're like, no, you walk down Ponsonby every day. You see it in Ponsonby, got their little espresso in their hand, their Birkenstocks with like a fluorescent coloured shoe,
Yeah.
sock, boom, done.
Boom, done. Go do it.
Entrepreneur.
We're going to do it today. Anybody want to sponsor Luke some Birkenstocks? No, my honey, mine. Maybe that's
Maybe
the way.
yeah, I like that.
Anyway, let's get back to the rhythm. Again, onliners, you're going to hear just the studio version. But on airs, you'll hear, of course, the song. The song is going viral still. Shout out to Rob Ruha and his choir of Rangatahi Kahao with this banger. It's 35. You're on Ngāti Hine FM. E ara e mara. Woo!
What should I
Okay, you can. This is as much as you can hear Etiwi. Sorry about that. You do hear us, but we're kind of not. We're just in the studio. So, kia utani mai. We've got approximately. Holy heck, that's a lot of ads.
Nah, get rid of the ads.
It's just people pay for that.
Oh, you can hear us. Yes. Keep the ads.
And we got like 3 minutes
Oh,
until our next voice break.
Someone just said hello. Is it like hello
Yeah.
or hello?
Wow, we'll soon see.
Hello? It's better than dead air. Okay, great. So, thank you. Someone just messaged us and said it's better than dead air. Thank you so much for that.
It was someone, generator.
Generator. Oh, she's messaging again. Can hear you now, lol. Great.
Yes.
Just slightly. Oh, okay.
Just slightly, bruh. My mic is up.
Now you have it hearing. Now the ads are on. So right now the ads about having a fundraiser. So if you would like to, advertise with Ngāti Hine FM, you can.
Again, why can't they hear it properly?
If you can't hear it properly, it's because it's a copyright. Okay, and that is it.
All the other radios like this do it like this. Just slightly better than what Janet said.
What did Janet say? No, it's fine. We can hear you both talking. Don't need to hear the ads, etc. Right, there you go. If you do want to hear the ads, though, I'm going to do a commentary. So right now, it's talking about your booster shot. If you have had your shot 4 months ago, your second one, you are eligible to get your booster.
Are we?
Yes. I got mine in September.
Did you get your booster?
No, I haven't got my booster yet. I'm eligible now.
We should go get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that was an ad for Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.
Kia ora, Sharon Beard.
Yes. Oh, no, that was Te Wānanga o Awanuiarangi. Sorry.
Wānanga. Oh, Awanuiarangi, yes. Or is it Aotearoa?
Awanuiarangi.
Oh, kia ora. We got the same acronyms.
Yeah.
How do we know?
The next ad coming up is a vaccination ad.
Approximately a minute and a half to go, Etiwi, before we come back with our next voice break, which is Ara e Mara.
Oh, yes. Oh, the Te Wira.
Te Wira.
Janet's message. What did you say, Janet? Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Reading radio. Translate this ad. Oh no, I thought it was.
Okay,
we love your ad, Madonna.
This ad coming up is it's a vibe. It's a holiday ad while she's still on holidays. Make sure you're safe at home. And make sure your kids are safe. And if you're a womene or a mene, you choose. Well, those of you in between. Oh, someone just commented and said, so good we can't hear the ad.
Actually, that's a bonus.
Yeah.
We've got 30 seconds.
Just means you have to sit there and wait for us. We've got 30 seconds to go. Yes, thank you, Auntie Maud. It is Te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiarangi and Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. That's right. You two could sing. We could.
We could. Look, we're not performing monkeys here, okay? We got 15 seconds.
15 seconds.
Usually I give Luke about 2 seconds notice.
Yeah.
10 seconds, Luke. Okay. Oh, now I'm going to change the settings back. Gee.
Here we go. You're welcome.
Iwa te kaima iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaima iwa ira tahi tu atu ihi kurangi, more nei te iwi e ara e mara.
E ara e mara, that's right. For those of you that are listening on the radio, you got all the ads, you got all of it. Well done you. Those of you at home listening to us live online and watching us live, yeah, you got us, that's right.
Yeah, and every time I have to take out the special connection, and every time I have to put it back. Oh, you're welcome.
At least you got that sorted though, because you're on. Marcy's really good at this kind of thing. I have no idea. I'm just here to talk.
But you know what? In the breaks, Luke, you could sing.
Thank you, Marcia. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyway, e te iwi kua taitata ki tēnei wahanga makau o Māua. E kia nei ko... E ara e mara! Tell us what E Are Mara is all
It
about.
is, that's right. Kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga I kēnei ko e ara e mara. It is the time for us to wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Get up! Hey! Get up! It's time to wake up the roro.
Kia
The
ora.
roro.
Kia
The
ora.
wairua. Make it good. Make it feel good.
Ah.
And it's just our opportunity to
Rise
just
up.
rise up and have a bit of fun before we get into the nitty-gritty of the show. One of our people have just commented saying, what are your names? Kia ora, it's Luke Bird and Marcia Hopper right here of E Ara E Mara right until 9 a.m. this morning. Kia ora for the reminder.
Kia ora, e morena.
Oh, morena Fire Oriole. You will see. There's just, your boy is not here. No, we
Do
love
you know
you.
where he is? We haven't heard from him since yesterday. Jokes. When you're not here, we're going to throw you under the bus. Kia
That's
ora.
right. Look, there's the big giant Te Wīra.
What did you say?
Te Wīra. Te Wīra. Te Wīra. Te Wīra. Te Wīra. Te Wīra. Here we go. We're spinning the wheel of anxiety. What is it?
And it is.
What's that one?
Finish the lyrics.
Finish the lyrics.
Okay, it's here. It's finish the lyrics. That's our Kiwi for today. So this is a, what do you call it?
Oh, we got to add on a word. So if you
No,
come up
no,
with a
no.
word, we got to flow on with it.
No, so if I say, yeah, true. So if I'm like, tutira mai.
Na iwi. Or can it go into something else?
No. Well,
Ah.
it depends. Is that the song that I'm thinking of? It is.
Correct.
You're correct. Right, it's here. E Are Mara, that's the game. Should we say it's coming up soon?
Yeah, we'll bring it in
Yeah,
soon.
because we're supposed to get into this like radio sort of thing where we say, hey, it's E Are Mara soon.
We got some critique, okay? And we're working on the
We're
critique.
working on it. But anyway, Maya Mawa, Marcia,
And Luke Bird.
it's E Are Mara, and your game is coming up. Finish the lyrics very soon. Tuatahi though, it's always been my baby.
Oh.
Mariah Carey. Get it. Onliners, you can listen to Luke sing this.
Here we go.
Ngati FM. Back to computer. But because it's finish the lyrics, you need to find your songs to finish the lyrics for. Okay.
Oh, but how's it go again? So I just do one, you just do one, and I carry on, and then that's I go.
So you choose a song.
Yeah.
And then
but then I go.
then
and
you
go.
sing part of it,
Yes.
or you say part of it, and I've got to finish it.
Yep.
I'm gonna
and then
finish
that's the end of that
this.
song, and then you start a song.
Yeah.
Got you. Cool. Oh, okay.
That you will always be mine. Now we could pre-plan these, but Tuida is Tuida, okay? So it's spat out the game, and now we've just got to search for it.
Yeah. We don't know what the weeder is going to give us, so that's why we're now randomly trying to figure out how we're going to play the game.
Fantastic. What was the word I was trying to look for? Forward cell. There it is.
Forward cell. Oh, I'm just going to just come on, because I can't put all lots of songs to me, can I?
No, you should have at least have 3 songs.
Oh,
Got it. Okay. Better not be easy ones.
no.
Yeah. You're
No,
searching
yes,
for a
thank you,
different
Fire
song.
Oriole. You can't hear the Waiata online, so you've just joined us, obviously. Well, welcome to the show. For those of you listening online, watching online, you won't get the songs due to copyright issues. And all other radio stations around the country, we've realised, do the same as what we're doing today. They pause for you to listen to us,
Just
and the radio people listen to the music.
cute.
That's okay, though, because it means you miss out all the ads, and you get to just hear our giggling about
I
ourselves.
mean, who wants to listen to Mariah Carey anyway?
Yeah, if you don't realise, she's actually playing right now.
I like how you're speaking into the mic, and that's not the mic they're listening to.
Oh, what are they listening to?
The mic off the laptop.
Oh, no wonder I'm so far away. There you go, Fire Oriole. You've got it, girl.
Okay, we got a minute.
We've got a minute. But where am I going to put the songs? I'm going to text them to myself.
Yeah. 40 seconds. Baby. Hey. Never.
My baby. Oh, I need to have a fart.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
10 seconds.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. It is E Ara E Mara. You're listening to Marcia Hooper and Luke Bird up until 9 a.m. this morning. Welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show where Marcia takes out the audio and puts it back in for the onliners. Keep talking, Luke.
Keep talking, Luke. That's right. It is that time of the day where we wake up the roro. We wake up the nono ourselves. Views of you. Those of you at home who are still on holidays and school holidays, of course, this is a great way to wake up the kids, get yourselves motivated for the morning, start the day off on a really good, positive wairua.
Here we go.
Woo! Okay, so till we just spat out, finish the lyrics.
That's right.
And so the name of the game is exactly how you play it. Finish the lyrics. Who's going to go first?
Okay, I can.
Okay, go.
Okay, Marcia. Okay, here we go. Sorry. I was ready, and now I've just lost my song. Should we say the lyrics or make it harder?
Okay, go.
I want your psycho, your vertigo shtick. Want you in my rear window, baby, you're sick. I want your love, love, love. I want your love, love, love. I want your love. You know that I want you, and you know that I need you, because I'm the free beep, baby. I want it bad.
What song is this?
Oh, come on, you can do it.
Okay, now you need to sing it.
Oh. I want your psycho, your vertigo stick. I want your red window, baby, your shake. I want your love.
Love, love, love. I want your love.
Yeah, I want you something, and then it goes up. I want it bad, your bad romance. Hey,
I want it all. You and your dance.
No, it should go. I want your loving, I want your revenge, you and me.
It was a bad romance.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I want your loving, I want you to dance, cause me and your bad romance. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, I'll give it to you.
Whoa, caught in a bad romance.
It was good, Buzz.
Very good, Lady Gaga. Okay, I got one for you.
Okay.
If you want to be with me, maybe there's a price to pay.
Oh, if you wanna, no. Keep going. If you want to be with me, baby.
The next part will give it away. Oh, now I'm going. If you wanna be somebody,
me
no,
too.
it's not. If you wanna be with me,
If you wanna be,
if you wanna be with me,
baby, there's a price to pay. I'm a genie in a bottle. You gotta rub me the right way. Hey. Oh,
Very good.
that was hard when you're thinking of the other song. I was like,
you put me on. I was like, what's my song? Yeah,
okay, here we go, Mars. Okay,
reverting radio.
reverting radio. That's right. Oh my gosh, I don't even.
You don't even know how it goes.
Because I'm your lady.
Yes.
And you are my man. Whenever you
reach for me,
Yes.
I'll do all that I can.
Yes.
Stand up.
Oh,
We're heading for something.
Well
Pure
done.
Celine.
Oh,
I love that
that
song.
was-
Do you know that was her opener when she came here?
Oh.
And why didn't we go?
Why
Luke?
didn't we go? When did she come here? Has she been here?
Yeah, like
Oh, when we
maybe
were kids?
5 years ago.
No.
Nah, yeah. Maybe
Oh.
not even that. 3 years ago.
No.
I know, it didn't go. Okay, here we
Okay.
go. The chorus gives it away.
Don't do the chorus then.
I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Oh.
Yes, get it.
Oh, say it again.
I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all.
You're moving too fast. Oh. Oh.
Don't.
I think
I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all,
I can hear it, but I can't work it out.
but I think you're moving too fast.
waterfalls. How does it go?
Don't.
go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.
Ha.
I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Oh, that's harder when
You got a fan in the comments. Celine and Gaga, predictable.
How dare Okay, you try doing it, okay?
Yeah.
Rude, so rude.
He's got one more left. It's
I've got
Queen.
one more. No! I'm trying to find it again. Oh no. Oh no!
Slave to the rhythm.
How does it go?
I've got one.
I've got one. Here we go.
There you go.
There were nights when the wind was so cold. What are you laughing for?
I'm just going to post that comment up. Predictable.
What is it?
E no, tonu ana ki te whare o Celine.
Because she's got power balance.
That's
There were
actually,
nights when
I
the
think that's going
wind
viral
was so
at the moment on
cold.
TikTok, where people do that. They like start off real dramatic and then the fan goes.
Oh, I got you. Well, Marcia, this is for
There were
you.
nights where the wind was so cold.
That my
and the
body
fires-
froze in bed if I just listened to it right outside my window.
Okay, so deliver me the first part of the line and I'll finish the lyrics. Go.
Should I do the chorus for you?
No. That, next line.
There were days when the sun was so
Cruel.
yes.
But the mind don't wait sorry and the friends they say they died now forever.
Oh, forever.
I hear the crowds and I am whispering the day. That's as far as my lyrics content goes.
No, okay, we'll go to the chorus. But when you touch me like this and you hold me like that,
I was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. Friend has got
Same
same
song.
song,
No, it's Celine, damn it.
same singer,
Okay,
same singer. Okay, you're over, Luke.
it was great.
Okay, here we go.
It was fun.
Life in Plastic. It's fantastic.
Life in plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me anywhere. Imagination. Life is your creation.
Come on, Bobby, let's go party.
Yeah.
Come on, Bobby, let's go party. Wow, that was really.
It was accurate. Gosh, it came out in 1998
Yeah.
or 97.
Ooh, kia ora.
Wow.
Well, hopefully you are all added. We definitely are. And now, kia ora tātou ki te Mito Tirohe. Here's the band that's going to be playing this weekend, actually.
Oh,
It's
yes.
Haruki Makoto.
It's the layup.
Yes, that's right. And online, you get to listen to me and Luke.
That's right. At 7:40 a.m. It's LAB. Hit it.
Out there, butter.
Excuse me, Frunner. They don't all blend.
They all blend, Freda. You got it right.
Celine.
Has it always been exposed?
No, I took it off because it keeps falling off here. But those little dots are where the strictures were. They went across. Like a pirate one.
Do you feel that?
No, it's not. It's just tight.
Like a pirate one. Okay.
Here's one for you. I don't understand
Topical
the way
news.
you think, saying that she's yours, not mine. Michael Jackson.
I don't
And
understand.
she's yours,
I don't
not mine.
understand the way you think. Say that she's yours, not mine. Sharing roses with your silly dreams. Really just a waste of time.
Girl.
Is
Thank you,
mine.
generator. Thank you.
Yeah, maybe
Are
everybody
you
else
looking
should see
forward to
them.
LAB? We can hear them in the background. Oh.
Yeah, you can hear them. They're through but they're not coming out like the main audio, so it should be okay.
Yes. We'll talk about LAB because I can't go. Give us
You
another one,
can
generator.
still go.
What? Sit in the disabled area and just be like, cool, by myself.
No, we'll wave. Plus, there'll be other people that like LAB there.
It's too much work. Who's going to take me to the toilet?
Jan. Look, she's going to say it. You see? And she'll say, I'll take you.
It's too much work. It's too much admin.
And we don't like admin, do we?
No. Even I myself, I'm like, no, hoo-ha. I'll take you, sweets. Oh, with your bag of toilet paper too, girl.
She's got you.
She will. You could do hymns. Oh, that'd be quite good.
Yes.
That'd be good. Just silent, because I'll even bring the toilet.
Topical news.
Yes, I'm ready to go with that.
Are you ready?
I've got a couple of things.
We've got like 3 minutes.
Like, actually, I'll do 2, but I'll do the Andre Talley first.
Oh yeah.
Because he's like the ginormous tortara of the fashion world.
Kia ora. Kohinga te tōtara, te wānui a
Kākahi.
tika.
I'll even bring the toilet sweet.
Look, everybody gets an insight into our reverting waiting for.
Can you do the countdown like on TV? Quiet on the set in 3. Right, so if you're listening at home, right now we've got Ngā Marae o Te Kāinga on the radio. And they're talking about Matawaia.
Get it.
They're going into whakapapa. Oh, that's quite good.
Ura.
What are we on?
Muri Mai Tēnei music trailer. So, minute and a half.
Minute and a half to go, everybody.
I suppose I could put the ads back on because it's not a song, eh?
Oh, that's
I
right.
can get me ready. Go back online and see all the admin.
Viewing the riskiest speed limits in Aotearoa. Around 600 people are killed or seriously injured in speed-related crashes on our roads in Aotearoa each year. Let's aim for zero with Waka Kotahi, committed to keeping us safe. Go to www.nzta.govt.nz to find out more and take care on the roads.
If it's 4 months since your second shot, it's now time to get your free booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
The rhythm of the Rohe.
Make me feel like it's a Sunday morning. Whatever we do, I'll be catching feelings. I hope you turn up. My reggae music, my reggae.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi morena e te iwa. It is Luke Bird and Marcia Hooper right up until 9 a.m. with E Ara E Mara.
Kia ora, and right now we're crossing live to our reporter in the streets. Bird, what's the word on the streets? Oh, that's not it.
That's a good one though. Well, thank you so much, Marcia, for that once again, that marvellous introduction. The word on the street is kua hinga he tōtara o te wao nui o kākahu. The kākahu world, the fashion world is mourning the beautiful, but the grand man, but the big loss of the fashion world, Andre Leon Talley. So if you are into fashion, you would know that name just like that. He was the former creative director and editor-at-large of Vogue magazine, and the best friend of
RuPaul.
Tara Banks. You and RuPaul. What's her name? The lady with the big glasses. Anyway,
From that, she looks like she's on The Incredibles.
yes,
The little short lady
yeah,
with the bob.
Bob. Yeah, so she's the current Vogue, the chief, but they're besties. But anyway, he died just at his home at age 73. But he was a 6'6".
Wow, 73.
6'6" man. He was huge. He was brought up by his grandmother and he was impoverished, but he loved his fashion. She taught him how to wear clothes and be your best when you go out. He became one of the biggest, wealthiest Vogue editors of all time, and he passed away yesterday in America. He was a former stylist of the Barack Obama and his wife and family, and also he helped style the Bidens on the inauguration. So big loss to the fashion world because he taught people how to be big, bright, and beautiful. And he was the biggest, tallest, brightest, beautiful African-American man that just went, hey, I'm fashion, I'm here, I'm cool.
Yeah, and he had like a deep voice.
Very deep.
Very like, I am present.
Yes, and if you don't know who he is, you could have watched him on America's Next Top Model. But here's a picture for you onliners that you're probably thinking, who's he talking about? This guy is just statues.
Oh, Titino.
Andre Leon Talley. So he was always about colour, fun, height, stature, and never mess with me.
Wow.
Beautiful, beautiful man.
Wonder if his clothes will go on auction or anything like
I
that.
wouldn't be surprised
Far out.
because he's like the man.
Aye.
So yeah,
Oh. Haere tira.
big loss to the fashion world.
Oh,
And also, so Betty White just would have turned 100 on Monday, just gone.
yeah. She was
would have been
just
100.
short of 100 years.
That's right.
Haere to Betty White. Our nanny, Auntie Betty, died. She lived in Matamata, and Altony put that on her me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because Auntie Betty, she had a great sense of humour. And he was like, Haere Nanny Betty, korua ko Betty White.
That's beautiful.
Ngā Betty e rua.
Oh,
Ai.
ngā Betty e rua.
Kia ora.
And what have
Betty.
you got? What have you got? Miles?
I've just got new horror movie filmed in Wanganui.
Yes.
Starring Kid Cudi. Do you know him?
No.
I think he's like a rapper. Oh, don't come for us, it's we're old. Anyway, they dropped their first trailer just recently, but it was filmed back last year.
Wow.
Yeah, in Wanganui, and so you'll be able to get a first glimpse of the first trailer, X.
Oh,
The movie X follows a group of young filmmakers as they attempt to produce an adult film.
Wow.
However,
Okay.
the host of their remote filming location appears to be quite a shady character, and as with most horror movies, things get complicated.
Wow.
So, yeah.
So it's called X.
It's called X, and it was filmed in Wanganui.
Hoanganui. That sounds
Say
exciting, though.
Whanganui. I always get.
I don't know because that
I'm
was
pretty sure it's Whanganui.
it always had been Wanganui,
And they say Wanganui.
and now it's Whanganui.
No, it's Whanganui,
Whanga.
but they say Wanganui because they dropped the dub.
The H. That's right. So what do we say?
We say Whanganui,
I've never been
and we
there.
spell Whanganui. I don't think I've been to Whanganui either.
No, I've never been there.
Shall we go? Are we going with Lucky Dip?
I don't know. I've had to check. Maybe we are. I know we're
Maybe
going to
we are.
Portuguese.
Surely we should be going to Te Uru.
Yeah.
We're going to a Portuguese.
We're going to a Portuguese
Yeah.
and we're going to Hawera.
Maybe we're skipping Wanganui. Maybe we'll go through Wanganui.
We're going to Whakatane.
Wow.
And also for all of
Wait,
you,
we go to Opotiki and Whakatane.
yes, which I
Like
thought,
2 minutes away from each other.
Yes, I thought, oh, okay, that's a bit odd.
Okay. Cool.
Yes. And also some other news in due to the Omicron and the Tamakima COVID stuff happening in Tamakima COVID. The announcers, the New Zealand AIDS Foundation, and also the organisers of the Big Gay Out, which is one of the biggest rainbow festivals of the country, which attracts about 20,000 people for a free concert of all shapes and sizes, has officially been cancelled. It's meant to take place February the 13th in Auckland, and I've been to a couple, and they're so great. It's so much fun, but they've been cancelled due to the potential Omicron outbreak.
Damn. Have they got anything like? Oh no! Why'd you cancel that? What else can you do?
Well, yeah, but which is a bit.
Well, what
odd
about like
'cause
Wellington?
I know. Which is, why not move it? Because it's not till February the 13th. Which then makes me suspect that maybe Fashion Week, because Fashion Week is back, everybody. It is back!
You know,
but it's back that week.
Yes, it is actually.
Yes, so I'm not too sure what's going to go on there. But anyway, yes, so Big Gay Out has been cancelled this year.
Kia ora.
Sucks.
And I've just got a little one here. Just a little bit of controversial stuff. Destiny's Church pastor Derek Tate has a vaccine pass despite his vows. Don't tell the matua oranga.
Wow.
He got his vaccine pass.
Okay.
He's not silly.
No, he's not silly. That's right. Well done.
There you go.
Dear. Gosh. There's a comment in our online section saying, talking of height, the 14-year-old who was 6'6". Where do we find that?
Yes, that's right. He is a basketballer, and he's currently in America.
14?
Yeah, being scouted for like the NBA.
That's...
Yeah, so he's playing junior basketball at the moment, but he's 14. What are you, 6'2"?
I'm 6'4".
6'4".
I thought I was 6'5" until
But he's 6. No, he's 6'8". I'm pretty sure it was 6'8".
At 14!
Or 6'5".
That can't get through the door because I just scraped through the door.
Well, when we heard it, I was like, that's taller than Luke.
Yeah, I just scraped through the door. So he'll be up there by the roof.
Kia ora.
Whoa!
Yes.
Oh, that's sad.
And another little bit of news that we'll probably talk about as it comes, that you'll love. Kristen Stewart.
Yes, she was here.
She's going to be she's the potential new Diana. Princess Di.
Oh, on the Crown?
No, there's going to be a movie.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah.
I could see that.
Anyway, more info coming soon.
We love that. We love it.
He Māori, tika.
Oh, it's the guy Māori.
Yeah, 14-year-old
Wow.
Māori from here.
Oh, we even love
He's playing junior basketball. He's only been playing basketball for 2 years.
Wow.
And he's just naturally talented.
6'8" is to the roof.
Pretty sure it's 6'5" now that you say 6'8".
What? Well, I'm 6'4". Thought I was 6'5". He's got to be taller than.
Yeah, no, he's taller than you. I know that.
Yeah.
But that's amazing.
At 14.
You're tall.
Wow.
Here, not any more updates or any more headlines.
Well, just speaking of tallness, I was celebrating at a wedding last year in June in Queenstown, and the bride and groom, the groom was he's a breaker from the Tall Blacks or the Breakers.
Yes.
But he's 7'1", and his wife was 5'1". 5 foot.
What am I?
And when we come back after the break, I'll show you a picture of it. You got to stick around to see this because
It'll be like Shaquille O'Neal with his wife.
I look average. I look like an average.
Yeah, no,
height
you
person.
look actually short standing beside
It's
him.
weird.
Get it?
I love that. Anyway,
that's topical news for you. I tēnei wā kia kia no tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Still to come before the end of the hour. We've got Sheifu.
Woo!
We've got, right now, Stan Walker and Selena Sharma.
Oh.
With one of the bangers at the moment.
One of the
Just
bangers.
keep playing it over and over. Love it. Aotearoa music for you. It's Marcia Hopper and Luke.
That's right, everybody.
Te are e mana here till 9. Ngā te Hine FM.
Woo!
Sorry, onliners, that's a jam, but you're just going to have to listen to
Are we
Luke sing
coming
it.
back?
No.
Are we coming back? Or is it going straight to the...
No, we'll come back for just a little foretell.
Sweet here. I'll show them. Shall I show them my scar?
And by little forward sound. Oh no. Oh yeah, we'll just talk over the Shafu song. Gross. Nah, jokes. Yes, they can see that. Just looks like you got a paru knee. You birthday was don't worry, baby. Hey. I got you, baby. I will through oceans.
I'm going straight to the gym after this.
Get it, same.
Oh yes! Since I've got my gym shorts and my shoes on.
Yes.
It's all upper body. We did it last night every day, and I'm like, I'm sore. I'm
Oh.
gonna get massive.
What?
I'm gonna get real big. Like,
Yeah, you are
man,
massive.
but then my legs are like these little flamingos.
You're a bird. Nah.
Yeah, you're a
Well,
bird.
look, you can't do anything but your legs at the moment. What about the other one?
I see. Can I do one? They're like, don't be stupid.
You can leave it out of the leg press.
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I think
And then you'll be like,
one massive. And then when you start doing this one with it, you'll get a stool.
you'll be weak as.
We do physio today, which I'm hoping she moves it to 45.
Don't worry, baby. Yesterday's gym was
You did it.
Stupid.
You look. You did it.
stupid.
Oh,
Also
I
found
found Hello
Pickle. Yes.
Yes.
She must have cashed in her Hello Pickle voucher.
Well done.
Hope you had some pickle.
Do you have a name for our Pepe yet?
Oh, that's what I was thinking. Maybe we should create it ourselves. Natalie Jade, if you're watching, we're going to make up your baby's name.
That's right. We're going to call it Lati.
Gati.
Call it
Gati. We're going to call it DG.
Because you're a bird.
For Destiny's Child. Here we go, 10 seconds. Sorry about it.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira oro ki whangarei nei. It is e ara e mara. That was Stan Walker and who? The shaman? What's her name? Sherman?
Selena Sharma?
That's her.
That's
What
her.
a great jam. It is currently 7:58 this morning. We're about to go into Wātea News. So,
Today we're going to cross, we're going to have this jam from Shafu. We're going back. Is it to the 90s?
yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Gosh.
Teddy Moana Rapley on the Waka. This show is like Waka Haurua. Cruising the Pacific Ocean. It's Waka with Shafu. Next hour we've got E Mea Koe, Iti Te Kupu, and much more. Kia ora tonu mai. You're listening to Marcia Hopper
And Luke Bird.
Te Are E Mara Ngāti Hine FM.
Tell them the window.
Sorry, online. Sorry, onliners. It might be annoying. Maybe there's a better way to do it. Anyway.
Can we put the? Can we turn our mic on and put the mic? No, that won't work.
Well, it would work if we could hear the
Yes.
monitor, but the monitor's played up. This one, bar. It's Chucky T Queer.
Aye. You want one? I'll say you want one.
No, thank you.
I'll
Can you
just-
get it?
Well, I've got one crutch, so I should be able to.
Same. Touch your lies till I get through. Oh, going through. Check. Ooh, hey, how I feel when I'm with you.
Let's get a water. You want water?
No, thank you.
Have a great day. This is like real life TV. You could be like the Casketeers.
Except mo te hunga ora. There's you and I have to try and get an interview with Te Tahiwaki Whanaunga, who's daughters of the royal family.
What?
The dance crew.
Oh,
Not the royal
I was
family.
like, what?
But they just left for Dubai last
Oh, I
night.
saw that on someone's Instagram. Whose was it that was going to Dubai?
Elvis? Do you follow Elvis?
No, it was actually someone's like my cousin or my baby. I'm so proud of you. Or going to Dubai.
Katarana.
Oh, anyway, that must be that same group?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. To the expo, World Expo.
Yeah.
Oh,
I can't wait to go.
well, what would we guys? A lot of things.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hang on, I'm gonna lift this leg up.
Oh, yeah. Oh. And the news. Do you want to listen to the news or us? Online poll. Us or the news? Let me know because I'm about to plug you in.
Here it comes, the news. Create an ongoing storyline.
Around each of you, and then each music break becomes a scene. Kia ora.
That's a good one. She's very onto it. Can she hear the news radio now?
No, she can hear us.
Can they not hear the
Well, I'm waiting to see if they want to listen to us or the news. Okay? You can listen to the news. It's topical, okay?
There you go. Now we can talk smack.
Hanga a tākuta Lily Fraser o te whare hauora o Turuki I tēnei te wiki tuatahi ki te tuku I te rongoā nei ki a tātou tamariki. Anei te reo o tākuta Lily Fraser.
Te tino pai ngā mahi, ata ki te waru te kau ngā tamariki I pai mai ki Turuki ina nahi. No reira, ki te hiahia mo tēnei wero ārai, te mate karauna. He maha ngā tua ki ana ko tō rātou hiahia kia ārai hia ngā tamariki I mua I te hoki ngā tuki te kura.
Tukua ngā tatauranga e hāngai ana ki ngā tamariki Māori e āhei ana te whiwhi I te kano ārai mate. Koira tā te rōpū whakahaere pūtea a whānau ora ki te manatū hauora. Kei te ki te ūpoko o tēnei rōpū a John Tamihere ki te kore rātau e mahi tahi, ka takahi anō ia I te ara ki te kōti. Hei tā Tamihere anō he take nui ki te Māori kia werohia ā rātau tamariki ki te rongoā ārai mate I te mea ko tahi tamaiti o ia toko whā tamaiti, kei raro iho rātau I te kaumārua tau te pakeke. Mena ia whānau ora e nei tatauranga ka tāia e ana kaimahi I te whakapā ki ngā whānau o ngā tamariki Māori e āhei ana te whiwhi I te rongoā ārai mate. Nō reira, he raru ki tae ki te kore te manatū hauora e tuku I ngā raraunga mo ngā tamariki Māori. E huitahi ana ngā mema o te rōpū reipa ki roto o ngā motu. Koinei te hui tōranga pūtuatahi o te tauhau Pākehā e haere ana mō ngā rā e rua. Ka mutu ko te pūtake o e nei hui he whakamahere I ngā mahi mo te tau. Hei tā te minita whakawhanaketanga Māori, hei tā Willie Jackson, ko te taha ki te pūtea te tahi o ngā take nui kei te tihi o te rārangi mahi. Kia tahuri ake tātou kia minita Willie Jackson.
O kia hau e tikana ki te whakarahi te pūtea. Koeira te wero nunui kia mātou. Engari I mua te kōrero e tikana ki ta whakakotahi pea tā mātou kāhui Māori e tikana ki ta whakakotahi mo tēnei kaupapa I te mea e maha ngā wero I mua ia mātou I tēnei wā.
Tai hoa kia hoki mai, koira te ia o te whakatau a te kāwanatanga ki ngā uri o Aotearoa I tā wāhi e hiahia ana te hoki mai ki te kāinga. Hei tā rātau anō ka kati I ngā kuaha o Aotearoa whai muri I te taunga mai o te nui o ngā take Omicron ki ngā ripa whenua o Aotearoa. Ina nahi nei I tau a kitea e te minita mō ngā take hauora e Chris Hipkins, ka mutu te pūnaha kia whai rūma ki ngā hopuni whakamoho ao mo te wā poto, ki te hunga e hia hara mai ana ki Aotearoa. E hāngai ana tēnei panonitanga hou ki te hunga kaore anō kia whai rūma ki te tahi o ngā hopuni whakamoho ao. Kaore anō kia whakatauhia he rā e tūwhera anō ai tēnei pūnaha, engari hei tā Hipkins anō e rongo ana ngā hopuni whakamoho ao I ngā papatoi aketanga nā te nui o ngā take Omicron kua tauke ki a Aotearoa. Hei ngā wiki kei mua I a tātou ka hui anō te kāwanatanga ki te āta mātai I tēnei āhuatanga. Nō reira e hoa mākoia pū ngā kaupapa matua o te haora e whai ake nei ko ngā take hā kinakina. Ki te riki NRL, ko Waika Mōhio, mena rāne ka koke tonu te tukinga iwi take I Wainganui I ngā uri take o te whenua moe a me ngā iwi take o Aotearoa, ara ngā uri Māori. Koe nei te tahi o ngā tau patu nui o te wā kei mua I ngā rangatira o te NRL. E ai ki ngā kōrero hei te mutunga o tēnei wiki huitahi ai ngā rangatira mā te waia. Ki te āta matapaki I te horapatanga o te mate kōwhiori me o na whakaawetanga ki te tukinga All Stars ka tū hei te 12 o ngā rā o Pepuere. E mānukanuka ana e tahi o ngā karapu I tēnei wā, kaore rātau e hia ana kia tuku I e tahi o a rātau toki kai tākaro ki ngā puni whakangungu mō te tukinga All Stars. Nā kaore e māro ana ngā te tiaki I a rātau, kia kore rātau e pāngia e te mate kōwhiori. A ka te ake rā e hika mā ka mātua tēnā ngā pūrongo kōrero a wātea mo tēnei haora, ko Lady Pokai tēnei, kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, te whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te manga.
The rhythm of the rohe.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. It is E Ara E Mara. Welcome back. Welcome back!
Hey! Ko ai koe.
Ko look better ho!
Ko mate o hopa, hai? And we're here till 9 o'clock here, Tiwi. Welcome back to the hour 2.
Hour 2,
of
that's
Ara
right.
E Mara.
Just the fun and games we have here. Where are you, Phoenix? Where are you? I forgot you weren't here.
If you're listening on air, tēnā koe. If you're listening online, kia ora. And just like we've been saying all morning, a little bit of a different format for onliners. You'll be able to hear us and the ads maybe, but not the songs.
Yeah, that's purely because of copyright issue, which most radio stations do the same. If you're online, you listen to the kōrero in the background.
Sometimes it's actually a goa.
Sometimes it's really reversing. Now, before we went to the break, I did say I'll show you this picture.
Yes.
Now, for those of you that know me, you know I'm tall. I thought I was 6'5". I still think I am, to be honest. But I was a celebrant for a wedding in Queenstown last year where the groom was 7'1" and his wife is 5 foot. And here is the picture. If you can see.
Holy hekaro!
Yeah, she's actually wearing high heels. In
You look short.
I look short.
She looks like your kids.
I'm a and I'm actually a giant. So he was ginormous, and she's like right up to his pito. So there we go. Yep, tall bird and real tall and real short bird. Boom.
Kia ora.
Yes, that was reversing. Ngā matapai huarere mō tēnei ata.
Ai, kia ora.
Let's get into
Kōrero.
it. Right here in Te Whanga o Rei Pai, kohi ngā kūtai, is currently 19.2 degrees. It should feel like 21 degrees already, and it's a high of 28 degrees right here in the CBD. In Tamaki Makaurau, it is a high of 28 degrees, but let's be real, it's going to get hot, okay? The current humidity is 86%, which means it's going to go up to 94, it says, and it is going to be really moist. Partly cloudy afternoon or light evening showers. Winds southwesterlies towards the evening.
Thank you, Luke.
Thank
Ki ngā tae o whangarei. Well, I like you. I was very
Ki ngā tae o whakaorei pai.
Kohi ngā kūtai. Time to kohi ngā kūtai will not be at 20 to 11 because that's going to be high tide at Iwi. So if you listen to the weather, it's going to be very hot.
Very hot.
Great time to go for a swim. 20 to 11 this morning. High
Love
tide.
that. Oh, that sounds great.
Kia ora. Now I'm going to pass this over to you.
No! Oh, I like doing my piece. Okay.
Okay, it's Rako Nui, but again, it's dependent on where you are. Maybe it's Rako Nui for you today, maybe it's not. But for us today, it's around Rako Nui. So,
All right, I'm ready. Hi, Marcia.
oh wow, that's like Scream movie.
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. I'm ready now. Okay.
Marcia.
Sexy voice, barangay.
Yeah, g'day.
G'day.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay,
Okay, Marcia, I'm ready.
you're scary.
Thank you.
You should do it.
No.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. It's supposed to be sexy Maramataka. It's probably going to be like thriller Maramataka.
Okay.
Hugh Thriller. Ai, e korero atu kia hina. E hina. Hia tō whakaro e pāna ki tō whakaro. The reply of Hina was, Ai, kia ora. Ko te whakaro ahau, he rākou nui.
It's not Rako Nui. Which one is it? That was the other day.
That was yesterday. But
Oh, you
for
gave
some,
me that one in
No. but for some, Rako Nui is today.
But just before you said it was something else. Oh.
Well, because let's blame it on the Maramataka app. They haven't updated today. And
I'm
they
going to
usually
like
do
it from
this
your...
morning.
There you go. I've liked it.
So whoever's
Oh.
doing the Maramataka app on Instagram, can you wake up?
Oh, Rako Nui was the other day.
No, it
Okay.
was not the other day. It was yesterday.
No, it was on Tuesday. Okay, let's just keep going.
Ai,
Oh, Rako Matohi.
Oh,
Try
now
that.
where's that one? Oh,
See if it's is there.
No. I was
Just
on a
go-
roll too.
Go until you see it. You weren't on any roll. You're on Scream the movie.
Speaking of which, if you go see it, make sure you see the first 5. Otherwise, you'll be lost.
I reckon we've just seen it.
Oh, there we
We've
go.
Just heard it. Here we go.
ai, kia ora. Anō, kua hau, ko the bird. E korero atu ki a hina, hina. Ia tō whakaro e pāna ki tō whakaro.
Sexy.
Oh, that is.
Hina said, ai, ia hoa
Rako Mātoi.
The last moon of high. Prepare for next 4 marama of tiredness. Ai, e tino ngingi tō wairua. O tēnei rā. Rākau Mātohi. That's Rākau Mātohi.
Why? Oh, Marcia.
I was like, didn't get your beat. Ba, 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 ba.
Wairua te arohae.
Wow.
Rākau Mātohi.
That was terrible.
I didn't want to say we needed Phoenix, but he does definitely have the more sexier voice than any of us. Sorry for that attempt. Mine was better than yours. Yours is Scream the movie.
Ah, he pai te ruku kai ki te moana. Rākau Mātohi.
Oh, is it now, Frana? We're only going to believe you if we see the hua of your Ruku Kaimwana. Righty, Tiwi, that was a hash of the Maramataka and the weather for this morning.
That was terrible.
Still to come in the next couple minutes, we're going to check out Iti Te Kapu.
Yeah.
Ōreira, kia au tonu mai. Right now, we've got a jam. Shout out to our sister. Hey, Lavina Goo. Lavina! It's Mafia. Depend on me. Got
When you need a place to cry, I will lend you my shoulder.
Sorry again, onliners. You miss out on this banger, but it's fine. My love. I'll sing it for you. I'll shout to you from pain. She's an Aussie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But how's she going to get back?
Don't know. Well, let's see how far I see.
Yeah, I hope she's okay though.
You can depend on me and all your time of need.
Sun shining on you. Time now set your broken wings. Set you free.
Wow. Yeah, that's La Vida.
Yeah.
Waiting for tomorrow. It has been said that neither of these have ever kohi kutai.
Sorry about that.
Kohi ngā pipi.
Yeah. Kohi ngā tāne.
Yeah. Kohi ngā kakus. Kohi ngā online shopping. Alright, he took your hike.
Let's do that. She replied to herself. I love it.
Fully replied to herself. Except at the supermarket. You do good garlic mussels, don't you?
Huh?
Garlic mussels?
Yeah.
You.
What?
Cook them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can cook mussels. You can't. That's just stupid.
I don't think I've ever tried it.
You just throw them in a pot.
Oh, I know that, but like I'd never.
Oh, let's have some.
I'll shelter you from pain. I'll chase the storms away. Hey, you depend on me. Sunshine on you. Time. They were still in high school when they sang this. Crazy. You can't even, you can't pay that. Sunshine on you. What are we going into? It's Kapue.
Yes.
It's Kapue. Oh,
Johnny and Zed.
We got 1 minute. No, 1 minute 40. I'll put everybody back on. Go back on, onliners.
Ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
Under the COVID-19 traffic light system, some workplaces and roles will require vaccination. To help employers and employees work together to make this happen, there's also been some updates to employment law. For example, employers should provide employees with reasonable time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
Finding it hard to get by? If times are tough or unexpected costs come up, Work and Income may be able to help, even if you're working. Use Work and Income's online eligibility guide to find out what support is available to you and your family. To check what you might get, go online to check.msd.govt.nz. That's check.msd.govt.nz.
Got your homework?
Yeah, got your phone, got your mask.
Okay, clever clogs. Just get a wriggle on.
Heading out? Remember, mask, scan, pass. You're good to go. Unite against COVID-19.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono, tō mita, tō rohe, Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi morena e te iwi. It is E Ara E Mara. You're listening to Marcia and Luke right here till 9 a.m.
Kia ora, kei te tika.
E te kupu.
Yeah.
Call it, blowback. Call it, blowback. I'm Jennifer Coolidge.
Kia ora, Jennifer.
I don't even like that song anymore.
E te kupu he wāanga, kupu whakarite, tō tātou kupu whakarite mo te rangi nei, our metaphor or simile for today
Yes.
is
Yes. Da 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 da.
te whakakanapu o te whatu.
Te whakakanapu o te whatu.
Ai.
Well, te being the,
Yes.
whaka being added onto an making a word actioning it.
Ora. Actioning it.
Actioning the word. Giving the word action. Kanapu, I don't know.
O te whatu.
O te whatu. I know whatu. Whati, to break.
No.
No, whatu, to break. No.
No, whati is the break bit. I'd say whatu.
Whatu.
Whatu. Or up here we usually say
Oh, yes, another word for it.
karu.
Oh, so eyes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So actioning something towards the eyes.
Yes. Te whakakanapu o te whatu. I'll put it into a rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai. Kanapu, whatu being eyes.
Kanapu, okay. Te whakakanapu o te whatu. Tēnei tangata. Te whakakanapu o te whatu.
They have amazing
Ai, ko
eyes.
tino hari taku rai nai nei. I te mea ko ia te whakakanapu o te whatu.
They are like the wellness of my eyes.
Not of my eyes, but
Of the eyes.
Kei te pēnei aku whatu, kei te whakakanapu, kei te kanapu aku whatu. Yeah.
Someone that's of high esteem. That you're going, wow, that person is just like, wow.
Yeah.
They've got such.
Yes.
I'm trying to say the word, but I can't get
and
it
so
out.
this kupu whakarite is speaking of what they do to you, to yourself. They make this happen. Te whakakanapu o te whatu because of them.
Because of that person, they make what? Of the eyes.
Yeah.
Bright, big. They make the eyes. You make your eyes go, wow.
Yeah.
So if you see someone like Dame Fenner, you're like, but your eyes do it?
Yeah,
You know what I'm
well,
saying?
you
Like,
know. So,
whoa.
yeah, because it makes your eyes
big, out there,
shine.
outshine. Oh, yeah.
Makes your eye pukana.
Mufasa.
Oh, yes, Mufasa.
Oh, got you. Oh, that's cool. Kanapu. So it's kanapu.
Yeah, kanapu is shine or bright. Shining,
Right.
glowing.
Shining, making something, the eyes, wow.
And so, ko ia, ko koe, te whakakanapu o te whatu. You
I
make
like
my
that
eyes shine.
That's cool.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Or you bring light to my day, kind of thing.
Oh, all right. So you make it good. Really, it's a positive. You make it so good.
Yeah, you
that you're
brighten
here.
up. See, you brighten up my day. Te
I-
whakakanapu o te whatu.
I
So,
love that.
You know, Tata walks into the
Oh,
studio right
you
now.
go,
Te whakakanapu o te whatu.
Whatu.
Kakarina, Kulik. And then their whatu just like, here, talk again.
That's a good one. I like that. I might add that also to my invoicing. I like it at the top of
Adding
it.
all these
Luke Bird
slogans.
Entertainment, Manu Fiti Tour, Luke Bird Entertainment. Oh, what's the other one? The
No,
Power.
it's Luke Manufititua, the league player.
Sounds like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And Manu Fiti Tour is coming along. He's coming along. Manu Fiti Tour. Hey, good day.
Manufititua.
Gosh, I sound like a
How's it going, Manufititua?
Yeah, good day.
Oh my god. How's
Right.
it going starring in the Scream movie? Right,
What was it again? So was it-
te renga kōrero mo te
Te
rangi.
renga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Te
So it was
whakakanapu o te whatu.
te whakakanapu o te whatu. I love that.
Yes.
I need to write these down. They're so good.
Kia ora. It's te kupu mo te rangi nei.
Mo
Te
te rangi.
whakakanapu o te whatu, te whakakanapu o te karu.
Yeah. We could put that in, couldn't we?
Could we?
Yeah.
We
why
could. We
not?
just did it.
We just did
That's your te kupu mo te rangi nei. Kia ora no tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Still to come. and Mountain Queen, and Unplugged Thursday. You might get a water out of us too.
You might.
Yeah, who's only one. Right now, sensitive to a smile. It's Herbs. Online, you get to listen to us. Yeah, that's it, FM. Hey, don't walk away. Ooh, 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 yeah. Hard to find. Sensitive to a smile. Hey. Life. Beautiful people. Yeah, right. Friendly people. From my heart. Yeah. Love for you. Ooh.
How much? That? How much? Sure.
More ads. Heaps of ads. Heaps of them. I'll put you back on for the ads, I tell you.
Put your back on. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, that is.
Ti mea nei. I ahu mai ngā hararei no hia, mō te aha, Anyways, whether you are on holiday or not, there's heaps of peeps around at the mo, especially up here in Te Tai Tokerau. You've heard it all before, no doubt. Be safe, don't do this, don't do that. Nō reira, mōhia ana koutou what's good and what's not, so don't be that guy or gal, nera. If you have tamariki, why not teach them your pūkoro nama waia, your cell phone number, just in case they go kōtiti and get lost or get swept up in a crowd at the shops or at a hui. Teach them your phone number and who they can contact if they get lost while you're on holiday. Be te mene o te waumene these holiday and tiakina ngā tamariki. Whāmere holiday safety mea nei. You're welcome.
Ngāti Hine FM.
He mea tautoko
nā te māngai. Tau mārere here I te riri. Ngāti Hine FM.
Parents and caregivers can now get their 5 to 11-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Find out more at bookmyvaccine.nz or call the COVID Vaccination Healthline on 0800 28 2926.
We are navigating a lot of changes here in Te Tai Tokerau, and for some of us, our lives are much busier these days, and it shows on the roads. So Waka Kotahi is reviewing the riskiest speed limits in Aotearoa. Around 600 people are killed or seriously injured in speed-related crashes on our roads in Aotearoa each year. Let's aim for zero, with Waka Kotahi committed to keeping us safe. Go to www.nzta.govt.nz to find out more and take care on the roads.
It's been a crazy year with so many changes. It really has called into question, what are we doing with our lives? The difference between a dream and a goal is a plan. So instead of thinking about a change, make a plan. Te whare wānanga o Awanuiarangi have programs in areas like healthcare, mātauranga Māori teaching, the environment, performing arts and humanities. There are programs taught on marae that get the whole whānau involved. You could even help grow the whare puka puka by undertaking a PhD or master's degree. Indigenous learning isn't a dream, it's our plan. Decolonise your thinking. Inquire about studying at Te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiarangi in 2022. Rukuhia te mātauranga.
If it's 4 months since your second shot, it's now time to get your free booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
The rhythm of the rohe.
I'm tripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. I can't help myself. I remember the chorus.
Ngāti Hine FM.
That's right, it's Ngāti Hine FM 99.6 right here in Whangarei, or 99.1 north of Hikurangi, and then the patchy tanga of the Hokianga, especially in Miti Miti.
Kia ora.
Oh, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back.
Welcome back, everybody. I am Marcia Hooper.
Yeah, the Luke Bird. It is currently 8:33 a.m. this morning, right here in Te Whanaore Whai Kohi Kohinga Cockles. Kohi Kohinga Cockles. Kohi Kohinga online shopping. Kohi Kohinga Tane. Kohi Kohinga Tane. Someone wrote a comment saying
scooters, apparently.
Yes, that's right. Someone saying these two probably haven't done kohi ngā kuta. I know that's correct. We haven't, but we have kohi online.
Yeah, we've done Pippi and Cockles.
Cockles, that's right.
And we don't need to kohi ngā kuta because other stores. I mean, look.
Now, it is Unplugged Thursday today, and Marcy's got the brave idea to sing live online.
Why do you want to hear Unplugged from some other artists today? Well, we can sing it for you.
That's right.
But if you're listening and you are a kai waiata of any sort, let us know. We want you in the studio.
That's right.
But today is our rendition of
Pāmai. Pāmai tō reo haro te pā o Aotearoa. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa.
Haere mai!
Haere mai! Haere mai! Remix!
Tahirua ta tōpere pupapa.
Papa papai, tōpere pupapa robo hapa.
Tepe papai.
Ibi tepe papai, ogo apa tepe robo hapa.
Pega mahipi ribi.
Pega mahipi ribi, ogo apa tepe robo hapa.
Hapa rebe, oi.
Hapa rebe papai, hapa rebe papai. Tibi tibi robo, tibi robo, tibi gaba, oba yaba, oba webe, hebe, nebe, hebe, nebe. Oba webe, tebe, haba, robo, haba, bebe, tebe, baba, haba. Hebe, gaba, hibi, wibi, hebe, gaba, hibi, wibi, oba, haba, tebe, robo, haba. Haba, rebe, baba, haba, rebe, baba, haba, Habarebe baba, habarebe baba. Toparupu fata bahibi.
Unplug Thursday, Tiwi.
The comment.
The guitar.
The guitar.
I was impressed with that. If you're listening at home on the radio, we've actually got a live guitar, and I'm using my ear guitar. If you're watching online, you've got the
that
full.
Was 2 notes.
That's great. Oh.
Kia ora. Any other requests? Toru or mine? We'll sing it for you today.
In our
'Cause
rendition.
It is Unplugged
Thursday, that's right.
Still to come, we've got Mana Koe na Waitika.
Hi, I've got some cakes today.
That's right. I hope you got some animal facts because, you know, over the holidays, people will say facts about animals and they're like, I don't know where I got that from. And I was like,
Luke.
Pretty sure you got it from Luke. Luke has all the animal facts.
Yeah, I try, okay, I try.
Anyway, I'll tell you who's cheer who. It's this guy, Brother Love. Let's go. Rukete kete. Emabai. Gati defend. Ere mana. Sorry on. Sorry, onliners. You have to listen to us. Oh, Itsy Bitsy. That's an Australian Luke song.
Huh? We should do it. You could do it in 2 notes, can't you? Itsy bitsy Go do it.
Ivata, eto kane, noi matate yo te inanaro. Oh no, sorry, onliners. Can't hear it. Noi matate yo te inanaro. Right, we got,
I've got some facts here.
3 minutes until Manakwe.
Impressed with the foodie. Bloody dude, man.
Turagil.
I'll see ya. Back of the line, get the guitar.
That would be the ultimate dream. To be able to play. But the pity is I can only play in 1 note.
Does it hurt your fingers?
Yes. That's why those are nylon. I can't play like a normal one. Like if I can play,
How do they
it's like
do it?
they have concrete fingers.
Ooh, I've tried. It's too slow.
And then the pushing down, then the actual that muscle there, that's
Yeah.
sore. See, okay, how do you do it? Hola, Luke.
Hola! Hola, Luke.
It's okay.
I can't stand Auntie Pauline.
You don't need your hips for standing. Get up. Yeah.
I know I'm doing
Put your hand in.
I am grinding.
It's not rodeo. I don't put the kake hoyo. Hey, hola.
Can't see the bottom half, but I
Kake hoyo.
am grinding into my seat.
He kai poe taku mahi, he kake hoi hoi. We need to get Chance and James on to sing that song. That's a goer. That
Queen's.
yeah, but that was their whakaeke. Water time. He kai poe taku mahi, he
That's
kake hoi
right. We used to like when they walk into the
hoi.
bar.
It's a Cowboys.
Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. Woo!
Cha.
The song's going ages.
Yeah, it's all the way from Rarotonga. Nah, it's finished. Tirapuga.
Terapuga!
Hite aratika.
Water!
Ruatika hikona.
Why did the Cowboys always win? Oh, I don't know.
Because they had guns.
A place I like to call home. It's Iwa Takoma Iwa Ira Oroki Whangarei nei Iwa Takoma Iwa Ira Tahi Tuatu I Hikurangi, and also the Pechi Pechi Tanga and the Hokianga.
Aye.
More importantly, Miti Miti.
Kia ora.
Welcome back,
There's
everybody.
a place I like to call home. Whangarei. Te
I do.
whanga o reipai.
I like to call it home too.
Kia ora.
Te whanga o reipai. It is 8:42 a.m. this morning, everybody. It is almost time for us to go, but we've got a few more things to get sorted.
That's right. It's this.
Ai,
Te mana koe, nā wai tika.
Ai, wow.
Nā Loki tika.
No, I've got the tikka.
Oh, the tea.
The chicken
Cha.
tikka masala. Now, there's a comment though that says, why did the Cowboys always win? Marcia, what's your
Because
answer?
they had guns.
Oh. Actually, this is not a random fact, but someone the other day said to me, when someone goes to me, where are you from, Al? Up north? And he's like, don't ask me where I'm from. I'm from Coopers D. I'm like, okay. I will give you that, Vincent. I know, but when you think about it, you're like, yeah, that makes sense.
He uri o kupe.
That's right, but he said it the other way.
Yeah, he said it. He no te ure o kupe.
Pretty much. Right, you wanted some random.
Why
animal
did the
facts.
Cowboys always win? Because they were here to fight and kill, where the Indigenous were here not to do that, and so they won. Because they just came out.
Right.
Why'd they win? Nah, no, I'm just going on.
That's amazing.
From
Marcy,
the
I've got one
comments.
for you.
Yes.
A tarantula spider.
Oh.
A tarantula spider can survive for more than 2
Oh,
years
no.
without eating food.
That's why you just need to give them a machete.
Yeah, you know, you see if they see one in like Africa.
Oh, I can't even do a machete. That's just.
Do they squash them?
Well, I have to go ask my people of Africa, Luke. I don't know.
But do they
I
squash them?
don't think so. Why would they? I don't think tarantulas go to attack you.
Squash.
Like, because I don't think they're like, oh, I want a human today.
Do you know? Do you talk to
No,
them?
I just think that we're in their way. That's probably why they.
But you squash the tiniest little spiders. Like the...
No, I don't squash. I'm too scared to touch it.
What do you do with it?
No, see, if I see any bug, I'm like, bug! Bug!
It's an
Someone! Nah, ants. See, I squash ants. They're gross.
Right, so yeah, a tarantula spider can survive for more than 2 years without eating food. That's
Probably me too. Hey, hit us on another one.
Oh, another one, right. The only mammals to undergo menopause other than humans are elephants, humpback whales, and... Oh, no.
I thought you said other than humans.
Sorry. With the human females, the only mammals to undergo menopause are elephants and humpback whales. Could you imagine getting a moody elephant?
Oh, bro.
Oh, she'll be. Oh no.
Yeah, she's gonna
Get out of her
stampede.
way. Get out of her
She's gonna
way.
She's gonna step all over you.
I don't want to eat the cabbage. I don't want the cabbage.
Take your peanuts and go.
Yeah. And a humpback whale, menopausal elephants and humpback whales. That's no, that's scary.
Humpback whale.
Yeah, no. You got one?
And
no, okay, another one.
Yeah.
For
I'm like,
every human in the world, I think I've said this one before. For every human in the world, now let's say there's 7 billion humans.
Yes.
There are 1 million ants.
Yuck.
For every human.
I hate ants,
I
eh?
know.
They're just yuck. I hate them.
Yeah, no. That's,
Yeah.
Well, that's
So there was this like random sentence that I put on Facebook, like as a post, like years ago, and it said, "I put a cube of sugar out on the beach so that the ant would come, and the little ant, and then he'd be like, oh, I'm gonna go back and tell my iwi that this cube of sugar is there." And so he goes away, and then I took the cube away, and then he came back, and he looked like a liar. Jokes on you, little ant.
Did the iwi come back?
The iwi came back.
Oh, that's terrible.
And the iwi died.
I'm going to refresh everyone's memory from last year, but a housefly, I love this one, and Archie Pauling, I think, loved it too. A housefly hums,
that's right.
hums in the key of F.
That's
I
great.
think that's so cool.
A, B, C, D, E, F, that's it. Nah, I don't know. I've just got a random thought. Go to bed to feel better in the morning is like, you know how you turn something on, like the TV's not working or the Wi-Fi's not working, and you're like, try turning it off and turn it back on. Well, go to bed is like that. Like, you're not feeling well, go have a sleep.
Thank you, Marcia. Thank you so much for really, that's awesome, girl. I've got my final one, and this one I thought was really interesting considering Betty White's just died. The Golden Girls theme song, "Thank You for Being a Friend," was actually meant to be something different. It was meant to be the song by the iconic Bette Midler, "Friends. You've got to have friends."
Thank goodness it wasn't.
It was meant to be that song, but the reason why the producers didn't use it was because the divine Miss M, Bette Midler, her song was far too expensive to get the rights to it.
Oh, lucky, because thank you for being my friend.
And the rest is
Well,
sitcom
thank
history.
Travel back and further back again.
You're a pal and a confidant. Yeah, thank you.
Finish the lyrics.
Don't
It's
even
my
know the
game, you see. Thank you for being my friend. I'll finish with this one, Luke. Theme parks can snap a crystal clear picture of you on a roller coaster at 70 miles per hour. But bank cameras, I
know, it's amazing. They capture everything.
But bank cameras can't get a clear shot of a robber standing still.
They
That's
can't.
so
It's always
true.
blurry.
Do you know this guy? What? Is his name Pixelated? Like, do you?
You're so right, though. Why? Why can't they get it right?
Exactly.
And yet, a theme park, you're right. You get your picture and you can see teeth and nose hairs and everything.
Yeah. Kia ora.
Pimples.
E mea ana koe. Nā mai te ka. That is Ko Tōtera Ki Runga I Tērā Wāhanga. Very shortly we're going to do birthday shout outs for today. So if you've got any, put it in our online comments right now. Yeah. Birthday shout outs. We're going to give the greatest birthday shout out of all shout outs today. Kia ora tonu mai. Right now, here's Picture on the Wall. It's 1814. You're listening to E Ara e Mara, currently 8:49. Ngā Tīne FM. Woo! Sorry, onliners. Oh, I didn't even put you back in.
So did they hear anything?
Our mics are on.
Did they hear anything the whole time?
Yeah, they would have heard us just from the computer. Sorry about it. Sorry about that.
Picture on the wall.
Okay, birthdays. And then we are out.
Yes, that was a good show.
Just
Going for a massage today.
Oh, get it. Where do you
By Phoenix Lynn's place. This.
go? Down the bottom.
So good. You should honestly go. It hurts. It's great. I said I don't know how I'm going to do it because I can't lie on my. I should be okay.
There's a picture of the world. In my hands. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. In my hand, there's a picture of the world. Yes.
Have a poo, have a wee.
Oh yeah. In my hands, there's a picture of the world. Oh, buddy.
Write something.
No, I got nothing.
Oh, he's Hayden's friend. It's Dolly Parton's 76th birthday.
Is it?
Yeah, just said that. Go back. I just said before. That's amazing. It's her 76th year.
Oh, no, it's on.
Happening now.
Oh, it's on today. Seconds.
What's for lunch? Hi, Josie.
Joe School. You tell us. I haven't been to Echo yet.
It's okay.
Okay, sorry.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumā, iwa ira tahi tuatu I huku. E te iwi.
Alright, Etiwi, I said if you had any birthday shout outs to get in touch with us. Hioi anō, Etiwi. Let's sing them a birthday song today.
Oh, there we
All
go.
our birthday goers today. And just because the guitar's in here. Hari o. Hari.
Hari, Hari. Ready, here we go.
Hari huri tau kia koe. Hari huri tau kia koe. Hari huri tau kia koutou. Hari huri tau kia koe. Hooray! Hooray! Whose birthday is it?
Dolly Parton's birthday today.
It is Dolly
It is
girl.
Dolly girl. And look, she's 76 years old today. 76!
Hey, girl.
Happy birthday, Dolly Parton.
Happy birthday, Dolly. It's also Edina Fenson's birthday. The manager here at Ngāti FM. Happy birthday, Edina. doggy dog. Nah, that's not what they call it. Also, big shout out to Toti. It's his birthday today. Cheer, Toti.
Toti.
Cheer. That's Toti there. And Kalani girl. Ma'ana, all the way from the shores of Laie, Kahuku.
Oh, yeah.
We've got Kalani Shelford. Happy birthday.
Kalani Shelford. Wow.
Yes.
Birthday day, love.
It's been a while since I've seen her.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Over there in Hawaii. But everybody's celebrating their birthday today. Tēnā hari hurito. Especially to you, Dolly Parton.
Dolly Parton. Gosh, she's 76 years old.
Kia ora.
76.
Mihi.
She looks like she's like in her 50s or 40s.
Kia ora.
That's what happens when you have all that money and you can inject plastic into your face. I love it. I love her.
Into
She's
other
awesome.
parts of your body.
She's amazing. Oh, she's iconic. I love her.
Oh.
She's great.
Koe rā ngā hurito mō te rangi nei. Heo anō hea te wā. Rima miniti ki te iwa kraka te
That's
wā.
right.
Giving you the time of day.
That's right.
With Eara e mara.
That's right. We've got a comment on our line asking, what's for lunch today? Let's go to PBT.
What's PBT?
Parua Bay Tavern.
Oh, get it. Okay.
PBT. I would love to,
PBT.
but I've got to be back.
There it is.
Well, I've got physio. I've got physio today on my knee.
What time's everything?
I've got to
Tell
be-
everybody in Whangarei so they
You're
know.
not telling you my schedule. I've got physio though, Josie.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I can't. Oh, let's do something anyway, Josie. Let's do it.
All right.
Singing a song.
No, well,
Oh, I thought you were
actually,
about to strum something.
no, we've got about 20 seconds.
Oh. We'll just strum you out for 20 seconds.
Nō reira he te iwi. Ko tai ki te mutunga o tēnei hōtaka. Mai a maua kolou. It's been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure. It's right. From my family to yours, have a great, great day. And we'll see you all. Apopo. Ka kite koutou apopo.
Ai, here we are, no, e te iwi. Hopefully the third wheel will be along tomorrow.
Oh, who knows? Messages us this morning. Can't come in today. Got to go up north.
And it's already Friday. The end of the week
I
is
know.
tomorrow.
Next week's the end of the month.
And just to recap, our kupu whakarite for today was te whakakanapu o te karu, o te whatu,
Off the fatu. Yeah, that's great.
which is that who brightens up my day.
Yes.
Because te whakakanapu o te whatu is someone, the shining in your eyes.
I like it.
So, yeah, use it. Whakamahi a tēnā rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Maia māua mō tēnei wā, kia kaha.
Kia maia.
Kia ni fōt.
Bye,
Kia
bye.
re mara. Ka tine FM.
Ka kite koutou apopo.
Onliners, again, you missed out on the song. Keep it locked, Scotty. You there? FM. Yeah, there was no problems.
That's the thing.
Don't swear. We're still online. Okay, everybody. Should we sign out online now? Kaki Tiwi, we'll be back again tomorrow. Thanks for sticking in with this new format. Again, we can't play the songs online due to copyright issues. Here we are, not my amount called Luke Bird. Have a great day. Woo!